Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to use LDR with Node MCU. LDR stands for Light Dependent Resistor. When it come into light environment, then its resistor will decrease. Otherwise, its resistor will increase. Let us see. This is a schematic diagram where LDR is connected on a NOT pin and another pin of LDR is connected VCC, and this is pull down resistor. Now we will see Arduino programming. First I will define analog pin. LDR pin is A0. I will print on serial monitor its value. So I will start serial monitor. Serial dot begin 115200 bit per second. Small delay. I will read here LDR value. So first I will take a variable light. It will store the value of analog read to NOT pin. Okay. And here I will print light value on serial monitor. Serial dot print ln light. I will put here a delay. 150 millisecond. Okay. Once I will check board. Here is Node MCU. Okay. Comport 5. Okay. I will compile and upload. Okay. Compiling done successfully. So I will open serial monitor. Here you can see when light is maximum, then its value is near 600. When I will cover by hand, then you can see the value is near about 150 120 like this. When I fully cover, then there is 55 40 41. Okay, I will remove this. Okay, you can see with plotter, serial plotter. Here is a graph. When I'll put the hand, intensity is too low. When I remove the hand, intensity is high. Okay, I will attach a LED. So here I will search LED. Okay, resistor. I will connect this pin to ground. This is 220 ohm. That's okay. I will connect this LED to the 5 number pin. Okay. So we will see again Arduino programming. I will add here LED. So I will define pin for LED. LED is connected on D5 number pin. Here I will create as an output pin mode LED output. Okay. Here I will create a if else condition. If light is less than 150, then LED should be high. Else LED should be low. Okay. I will once again compile and upload. Okay, compiling done. I will open serial monitor. You can see normally light value is 550, 560. When I will put here hand, you can see LED is glowing. When there is no light, then LED is glowing. Otherwise, LED is not glowing. When light intensity is going to low, then LED is glowing. Otherwise, LED is not glowing. So I hope you understood this. So guys, if you like this video, so please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.